Uh, thank you so much, Ms. Nazneen, and respected Shri Dr. Nishod Saxena sir, founder, managing director of Progress Pharma Knowledge Center. Dear Miss Nazneen Talukdar, our very own dear Miss Asma Sheikh, Assistant Professor, President, Science College. It is my utmost pride and privilege to attend this webinar hosted by Pharma Knowledge Center on the topic of Atmanirbhar Bharat, pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, healthcare industry orientation and career guidance. Now, I would like to say a few lines here. India's pharma industry is an asset, not just for India, but for the entire world. It has played a leading role in reducing the cost of medicines, especially for developing countries. Now, these are not my lines, these are lines from our very own Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. And especially during this pandemic, Indian pharma sector has proved its promise and capabilities by creating COVID vaccine in the shortest time in history. Now we can realize the importance of shortening the time in pharma industry, because earlier it was used to be 7 years, 8 years for developing a vaccine, and our industry has already proved itself in creating history. So and also, not only the vaccine, but these create they have also created testing kits for COVID test, and at a nominal price to government, and at a huge scale. So number also matters. So India has entered now in the global pharma hub, and it has become a power nation to the world. And if we look at the Indian pharma industry in 1920 itself, its domestic market was 1,51,700 crore rupees, which is not a small amount, of course. And apart from export and import. And if we look at export, the export of medicine was worth around 1,52,440 crore rupees, and import was 40,139 crore rupees. So if we sum up the total, and the total comes out to be 3,04,140 crore. So our pharma industry has grown up to the point of 3 lakh crore rupees now. So looking at the fast growing pace of pharma sector, we realized the importance of this growing industry and joined our hands with the Pharma Knowledge Center, and signed an MOU for our dear students, so that our dear students get the opportunity to learn pharma techniques and pharma courses. And basically, only BSc will not do. Only BSc will not give you the opportunity to get job, decent job into pharma sector. You need something else too, and you need an added courses, I mean added course to make you aware about the different farm techniques which are used in pharma sector. So realizing its importance, we have already signed an MOU with the Pharma Knowledge Center. And in order to come along with the Atmanirbhar concept, which has given by our very own Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. And I really congratulate our Professor Miss Asma Sheikh for putting all efforts for this MOU signing. And she took a lot of efforts. I used to be busy, and she used to come, and I used to see that she is keeping those efforts in line to get the this MOU signed in. So I'm also grateful to Dr. Nishod Saxena sir for offering a 50% discount to our students who belong to President Science College in their different courses. So, government of India has already taken a step forward towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, where many schemes have been introduced. Like if I say, in bulk medicine production, they have started various schemes, and in production of medical devices also, they have come up with different schemes. So, dear students, now it is up to you to realize the importance of this pharma industry, because this is the industry where recession will not come. Other industries will be affected by recession, but this is the industry when there is booming when recession comes, because healthcare goes up whenever some recession happens. So this is the industry where you will find jobs even when others are losing it. So, looking at the importance of this sector, now it is up to you to join these courses and get a good job. Not only a good job, but you can also set up your own industry or small industry, and government is also supporting. So, by doing these courses, you can be Atmanirbhar, as well as you can get a decent job also. So I would really like to congratulate Pharma Knowledge Center, especially Dr. Nishod Saxena sir, for organizing such a nice webinar for us. Thank you so much, and over to you, Nazneen ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shivangi Mathur ma'am, for
Thank
your
you.
word and for your concern regarding your students as well. So I'm handing over to Ms. Asma Sheikh ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all of you, and thank you for joining today's webinar. So myself Asma Sheikh, and I would like to present the vote of thanks. Now, on behalf of President Science College, I would like to thank our speaker, sir, respected Dr. Nishod Saxena, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam.
thank you so much, sir, for organizing such a wonderful webinar for our students. And we hope a student gets so much information and a valuable insight of pharmaceutical industries that most of the doubts are clear now. And thank you also to Ms. Nazneen Talukdar ma'am for managing out such entire webinar. Very good. Thank you so much, ma'am. And last, I would like to thank my dear students who participated today. Thank you, students. Thank you so much for participating today. Thank you.
Thank you very